Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a spicy Caesar. First you're going to need a red solo cup and a lime wedge, so I'm going to run the lime wedge along the rim of the solo cup. Next I'm going to take some rimmer seasoning from Clamato and I'm going to dip that cup into there so we have a nice seasoned rim. It's going to shake off any excess. So now I'm going to take some Dill Pickle Vodka. And I'm just gonna run that to the first line. I believe that's equivalent to an ounce. Next, I'm going to take the spicy Clamato and I'm gonna pour that up until the next line. I believe it's right there. Leaving enough room for ice and extra juices. So now I'm gonna take the juice from the lime wedge and I'm gonna squeeze that into the Caesar. Next, I'm going to take some rimmer seasoning and I'm going to pour a little bit of that into the drink just for some extra flavor. And now I'm going to take some peppercorn and I like to make it a bit bigger, again just for some added spice. And then some Tabasco sauce. I know I like spicy Caesars. And then we're going to take the extreme bean and I like to put some of the juice from that in there. Now we're going to give it a nice stir. Add some ice. Some ice here. It's very hot today. And then an extreme bean. And there you have it. We have